everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw Indian flag using Python. To draw something using Python, we need to import turtle and we have to give an instance for that. Make sure the second turtle starts with capital T. And now I am going to give some properties to my pen and pen size. Now I am going to write a function. This function is used to lift the pen and go to specific location and down the pen. Before drawing our Tiranga flag, let's know about our Tiranga flag. That is, our flag consists of orange rectangle, green rectangle and Ashok Chakra consists of 24 spikes. If we start drawing our Tiranga flag from Ashok Chakra, then we have to learn about these spikes. There are 24 spikes in Ashok Chakra and we don't know about the angle they are tilting. To know the angle, here each spike in Tiranga Ashok Chakra is tilting with 15 degrees. So let's start drawing the Ashok Chakra. That is, to draw Ashok Chakra spikes in 24 spikes, I am giving a for loop here in the range of 24. To draw this spike, we have to move forward and get backward with the same length. Here I am taking the spike length as 80 and move backward, forward and backward and tilt with 15 degrees and forward and backward. Here T dot forward 80, backward and tilt to left with 15 degrees. Yes, let's check this spikes output first. Here the spikes are in black color, so we need to give pen color as navy. If we check now, then the color will be navy. Yes, we got the color navy. Now we have to concentrate in drawing outer circle. To draw outer circle, we must come out of this 80 length. That is, we have to bring our pointer to this location and draw a circle. Let's check this out. Yes, we got our circle perfect. Now we have to draw our green rectangle. Here I am taking the length as 200, then this must be also 200. I am taking this as 700, then this half must be 350. So my pointer is here right now. So I should move forward 350 and come backward double of 350, that is 700. Then right side, turn 90 degrees right and 200 forward and turn left 90 degrees forward 700 and turn right and move forward 200. Then I'll complete my green rectangle. So here I'm drawing green rectangle. That is, first I have to take my pen color as green. And I have to bring my pen to then I have to fill color. Forward 350. Backward 700. And right side 90. Then forward 200. Then left side 90. Then forward 700. Then again left 90. Forward 200. Left 90. Yeah, I have to say and fill now. Let's check the output of this green rectangle. Yes, I got my green rectangle now. Now I have to concentrate on saffron rectangle. That is with the same measurements. Now I have to take my pointer to here directly. Then I should go forward 700, then 200, 700 and 200. My pen color should be orange. And I should begin fill. First I should point my pointer Then I have to end the fill. I'm hiding my turtle. And I'm saying my turtle to be dead. Let's see. Yes, I'm running my script now. somewhere I made a mistake. Yes, I got my perfect Tiranga. In this way we can draw Tiranga flag using Python. If you like the video, hit a like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.